everyone, we're here today with Annie from Do It Yourself Darlin. They are our current community give back partner. So hi Annie,
Hi.
How are you doing?
Great, so happy to be here.
So can you tell us a little bit more about yourself and about Do It Yourself Darlin?
Yes, I am the founder and director of Do It Yourself Darlin, and we are a home repair workshop program. We have a ton of workshops that have a wide range of home repair topics. Every workshop is pay what you can, so they'll have a ticket price, but then they'll also have a sliding scale option all the way down to $1. And they're all taught by local craftspeople, handy people, and tradespeople, all in the neighborhood of Price Hill. We're a part of Price Hill Will.
Can you tell us a little more about why you got started with Do It Yourself Darlin? Like, was there an issue in the community that you were hoping to address through your work?
Yeah, back in 2018, I did an AmeriCorps service term with Habitat for Humanity, and that was my first foray into the world of renovation, construction, trades, power tools. A lot of my friends and community was really interested in what I was learning. I felt like I was a beginner, but to them, I had this treasure trove of skills that feels really impossible to get a hold of if you don't have someone already teaching it to you from maybe your family or your community. They would have a home that was given to them through the family, but figuring out how to maintain it and how to stay in it just seemed like this unbelievably daunting task. So I've known from day one that I wanted to somehow be involved in the education side of home repair skills.
I think that's all really great. That knowledge can be super empowering for people just to have in their own toolkit, if you will, especially since we see so many people in Cincinnati facing housing insecurity. Just having that knowledge, even to know how to talk to other people, I think, who will do those repairs for them so that they don't get taken advantage of, can be really useful.
Yeah, I'm glad that you brought that up, because that is also a really important aspect of Do It Yourself Darlin. In every workshop, the instructors will talk a lot about the line that they see where here are skills that would be really helpful to know how to do yourself, and here's where you should stop and call a professional, and here is how to speak to that professional about the issues that you're seeing in your home.
I also saw on the website that you have some other fun workshops. Can you talk about those?
I'm calling them the supplemental workshops. So these are workshops that maybe they're not directly influencing somebody's ability to work on their own home, like electrical and plumbing, but the skills are very adjacent to home repair skills. We have woodworking is a big one. Another series of classes worth mentioning have been our gardening and composting classes. We've had a lot of those. Yeah, the list goes on for those supplemental classes. And I think they hit on what I call a byproduct of DIYD's mission, which is workforce development. So giving people an opportunity to come in a really relaxed environment, just learn about a trade, try it for 3 hours in a, you know, when it's going to start and end, and you can go home and then maybe consider, I actually want to do this a lot more. Maybe I want to learn, go find another organization where you can actually dive a lot deeper, or maybe even consider a career in that trade.
Well, where can people sign up for classes if they would like to get involved?
All the information is at our website, which I'm also really proud of, which is www.doityourselfdarlin without a G, no G.org. So that website will have right on the homepage all of the current upcoming workshops, and will take you to the sign up page. You can also read about the teachers, our amazing supporters like Deeper Roots Coffee, and so much more on that website, testimonials, all that good stuff.
Cool. Well, thanks for sharing. It's so cool to hear what you've got going on. I'm excited to see how you continue to grow in the future, and we're just really excited to be partnering with you all.
Thank you for the support.